Learning a new skill is not always easy, whether it's learning a new language or something linked to our jobs. Sometimes we're really busy and our calendars are fully booked. So, I had an idea. What about creating an agent that not only acts as a learning designer, that creates learning journeys for me for anything I want to learn, but it also has access to my calendar so it can see when I'm busy and when I'm free, and based on that, it can create learning sessions in my calendar. This way, I can actually walk the walk and not just talk the talk. Because I always talk about learning new skills, but I always do nothing. So maybe now when I have them in my calendar, I can be more accountable and I can actually do it. Let me show you what I mean. So this is my workflow. Let's say I want to learn more about AI agents. So I add my topic here. Let's say AI agents. And I'm gonna start learning this from, let's say, August 4 onwards. I submit, and now you can see here we have two agents working. The first agent is a learning designer agent. So its main responsibility is gonna take my topic and create a curriculum for me on what I need to learn. So maybe day one is gonna be introduction, day two the fundamentals, day three something more advanced. It's also checking my calendar to see when I'm available and when I'm busy, because now it can link this curriculum to those 3 days. So maybe on Monday I'm free, I can do the introductions bit. Maybe on Wednesday I'm more busy, it's gonna do something more light for me. So that's the first learning designer. It's gonna take everything, the curriculum, then it's gonna send it to the second agent, which is a calendar booking agent. It has one responsibility, which is to book these learning sessions in my calendar. Now, initially, I wanted to combine both responsibilities into one agent, but for some reason it wasn't doing it properly, so it made more sense to split these responsibilities into two agents. So, if I go to my calendar, you can see that now I have learning sessions booked in it. I put busy placeholders here on purpose because I want you to see it's gonna only look on available slots and based on that book these learning sessions. And not only that, if you go to the description of this session, we have a ChatGPT prompt that can help you learn more about it. So in this example, session 1 is Introduction to AI. Now initially I wanted my agent to go online, grab some articles and resources about this subject, and then you can find them in the description, we click on it and then we read the article. But for some reason it was still giving me wrong links for 4 pages, so I had a nice alternative, which is in every single session there's a ChatGPT prompt that I want you to copy and paste into your, I don't know, Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek to start learning. So in my case, it was an introduction to AI. I'm gonna copy this, then I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna paste this, and now I can learn more about AI as an introduction. You can see here it's using the best practices of prompt engineering. So you are an expert in AI agent, which is act as a job role. And now I can learn more about what are AI agents, a brief history, types of agent architectures, and the list goes on and on and on. And we have the same thing for every single session, because session 2, it's hands-on on building a simple AI. I have another prompt I can use on Tuesday. I have a prompt I can use on Thursday. I have another prompt I use on Friday. So now, not only do I have learning sessions, but I have something to read and something to learn, which is very cool. Now, I'm gonna share the link of this workflow in the video description. All you have to do is download it, and once you create an account on N8N, you're gonna take the file you downloaded from the description, you go here, you click on import from file, and then you upload it. And once you do so, you will see the same exact screen as I'm seeing right now. But obviously you can customize this to fit your own need. So for example, the learning designer, we double click. This is how it's being prompt. So you can change different things here. The first thing you can change is how long is the learning journey. So in my case, it was 1 week, but you can make it 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year. So you can really customize your own learning plan. And another thing I've done here that you can change is that every learning session for me can be up to 90 minutes. But maybe for you, you want quick sessions. It could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Also for me, I'm booking them during working hours, which is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But maybe for you, you want this after working hours. So maybe you can put 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Also for me, I allow it to book learning sessions during the weekends. You can add here maybe a new rule, which is don't book on weekends or only book on weekends, of course, if you want to protect your working week. So there's lots of things that you can change here to fully make the best out of this. So you can change this. And also once you download this and upload it and import it, make sure to set up your own ChatGPT account. So you click on it, make sure to create a new credential, and once you create a new credential, they're going to ask you to add your API key. If you want to retrieve this, go to platform.openai.com/API-keys. This is the URL. Create a new project and then create a new secret key, and once you create it, you copy and you paste it here, and then you're good to go. Also for the calendar, make sure to do the same thing, which is creating a new credential. It works the same way. Plus create new credential, and then make sure to sign in into your Google account, and then you sync your calendar to this agent and verify that you can see your email right here. And then you test workflow and you're good to go. I hope this was helpful and you can really use it to learn something new. And I'm planning to create more of these videos and create more hopefully useful workflows. So make sure to like, subscribe, because more videos are coming your way. Thank you.